course, but on the driving range. Okay, I gotta ask, what's the postage when you order a bouncing kid?
Is he looking to go out?
Car insurance rates just
I'm trying to make a video for him.
Huh?
I'm trying to make a video for him.
Well, if I were you, I would get some shoes and coat on
Me too.
in case we get to get out. Or you might have some more to pick up.
Yeah. I think I'd rather pick it up here because it might be hard to get. I don't think it's supposed to be. Oh, let's go. Oh, flying on my back.
Put that coat on, mister.
Okay.
You'll have pneumonia, you'll be in the hospital.
Here, I don't need this. Let's go. There's a light. Oh.
Where's his thing? Hook him up.
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna lose
Huh?
that. Get hooked up, stupid.
Strange. Right. Hook. Over here. Come on. Hook back. Come on. What's a beer's pizza? After this. Hopefully. They're good. I mean, seriously. Get over here. Oh, I think we better go over here. Over in here and darken so that you can do your business. This is where he usually does it. I'll give him some space. Don't even know where you went. It's so dark. Dude, you gotta go if you wanna go. You already pooped in mom's bedroom, and you took like 5 poops. I'm not going back in there without you having a single pee or poo over it. I don't even know what this is. It's like a barbecue for like 7 days. I don't know. Hawk, no. Hawk! Bunny! I can't believe this. I might get a bunny on tape. Get a glimpse? Hawk, no. Bad boy. Other way. Hawk, you want to go inside? Okay, we got it. We're standing right up here. It's how dark it is. I can see some stuff that you can't. I have the brightness turned up all the way. And it looks freaky like thunder, but still, something. Hawk, let's go. Let's go, little booger. No, that's what British people say, but still. Let's go. Can't let anyone know our address or number. To find out address. My current number. Okay. Yo.
Shut the door.
I will. Hold on.
You should do that before you unleash him. Shut that door.
No, wait, look. I don't care.
I told you he's going now.
No, he doesn't. Allie, why you gotta be such a worried one? Get over here. There's no way to run.
What if somebody was coming out their door?
Well, then I'll follow him anyway. I'll tail him. Allie, Boss, stop worrying about so much stuff.
Alright. One day he's going to get loose and you're going to pay the piper.
What is?
Did he do anything?
Maybe. No. Didn't.
No, he'd rather do it in the house. Oh, stupid.
Bad boy. Give me. Bad boy. Smack you with that. Bad boy. No. Stuck him. There's no way to run.
You got some bad habits, dog.
Huck. You can't go in there. Or in here, I should say.
Oh my.
He found his way through. A little slide dog. You. Get. No, you gotta go. Fine. It's open, dang it.